In this video, I'll be showing you how to use coupons in Oopbuy. So you want to go to the top here, where your profile is, go down to Wallet. From here, press Coupon. And here you can see a list of all of the coupons that you can use. And they're only shipping coupons, no product coupons. So if you want to use one, click on one. Doesn't make too much of a difference. You apply your coupon after you've bought the product. So once you want to buy the product, press buy now. And here you will see an option to add a coupon. The relevant coupons will appear here. If it doesn't, when you pay for shipping, that is where you can add the coupon also for the shipping. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.